So we are back. I now have Zelda. Okay. Now, what I'm going to need here is this. Take it. Yes. That indicates to me she's not too fearful. She can take it. That shows when she just goes to watch. It might take her half a day to be able to do this to work. Yes. Oh, what a good girl. Okay. String cheese in my mouth. In my hand, I have a high-value treat. It's actually leftover elk burger for her. In my pocket, I have a couple of dumbbells. Her sound sensitivity is actually one of the things is to dumbbells. So let's see what Z can do. Come on, Z. Walk around. Just walk. Good girl. Here we are. Zelda, get close. Good. A little closer. Come on. Come on. Get close. Right there. Yes, thank you. String cheese in my left hand when I don't fall. And heel. Beautiful. Right here. Oh, what did you just see? You notice she saw something, had a little bit of a swerve. That's okay right now. Come on, let's go back over here. You ready? Sit. Beautiful. And leash in right hand now, so we're starting out ready for other accoutrements. Heel. Yes. Nice head up, confident. Look at this. Beautiful. Sit. Yes. Nice. Now, what's going to happen when I drop her dumbbell? First of all, let's see what she just does for the dumbbell. Okay. So Zelda, right here. With me. Get close. Yay, good. That's a good girl. Wait. Take it. And go. Thank you. Good. Good girl. Nice. Good. Right here. So she, not her best take, but she can retrieve it. But she's not afraid to retrieve it. Now the question is the sound. So right now, I'm going to have the leash back in my left hand. Zelda, sit. Zelda, get close. She knows something's happening. Sit. Wait. Good girl. Dumbbell here. Jackpot here. Zelda, watching. Watch. Yes. Jackpot. All I want right now is the fact that she is not sprinting away from the sound. Get close. Good girl. Wow. What a good girl you are. The best. Zelda. ZZ. Good. Yes. Good. Jackpot. Right there. Now the question is, can she get back to me and heel once this happens? So let's take a look, shall we? We'll see what today brings. Zelda, and let's go. Come on. Good girl. Right here. Get close. It's easy. Right? A little bit of avoidance there. That's okay. Right now, sit. Yes. Good. Ready? Zelda. Yes. Good. Big reward. And heel. Heel. Right there, moving. You know, she jumped, get close. Good. And let's keep going. Heel path. Yeah, look at you. Just get her back with me. Excellent. And that's all we're doing right now, building up.